Hi, parents and teachers. My name is Sheryl DeVaney, and I was born and raised in Dangriga, Belize, right there on Oak Street. As the founder of the Pablo Lambey Foundation and one of many grandchildren of Pablo Lambey, I am proud to announce that we are now accepting applications to our scholarship program. We believe that education is a powerful tool that can transform lives and communities, and we are committed to seeing our young Garifuna students in Southern Belize achieve their academic dreams. So I want to take a moment to thank you in advance for spreading the word to our young Garifuna students in Southern Belize. Please inform them of this wonderful opportunity that will allow them to continue to pursue their higher education. Thank you. Now let me take a moment to show you just how simple this process will be for our students. Okay, so thank you for sitting through this session with me. Um, so when you go to the Pablo Lambey Foundation website, which you can just Google Pablo Lambey, it's usually one of the top 3 websites that you will find the foundation, or go to pablolambeyfoundation.org. So that's where you will find us. Once you're at the website, look for the scholarships tab. So you'd want your student to look for the scholarship tab. They simply click on the tab and you will come to the page that will have the scholarship. You will find there 2 scholarship essays that the students can submit. No need to submit both. They can select 2, submit 2 if they'd like. However, 1 is sufficient because we will grade, if you would, or stack rank all of the applicants that we get us in their essays. And so the strongest will be the selected option. So no need for students to submit 2. 1 will be enough. I do want to highlight that this is a 1-year scholarship tuition, and so this tuition will pay for students 2023-2024 school year, and we will be providing funding directly to the school. So this funding will not go to the student directly or to the parents, but the parents and the student will be informed if they're selected, and at that point, we will reach out to understand how do we get payment to the school. So the students will go in and they will write a 500-word essay. And the 2 essays that we're asking for this year covers cultural identity, because cultural heritage is our identity. And so in 500 words or fewer, we're asking students to tell us how being Garifuna influences how they see the world. We both know as Garifuna parents that we carry different cultural identity, cultural practices that might be different from other folks in the rest of the world. And we do not want our students to be ashamed of that. We want them to embrace that fully and take that with them and make that part of their authentic self. So I'm really looking to understand from students, how is your cultural heritage your identity? And how has that influenced how you see the world today? I'm really looking forward to learning how students view themselves in the world as a Garifuna person. The other question that we're asking, which is really important to the core value, one of the core values of Pablo Lambey Foundation, is we want to hear from students. How have you contributed to your community? It is really important that, our students understand that giving back to the Garifuna community is what's going to allow us to be here for years and years and generations to come. And so in this essay, I'm really looking forward to hearing and understanding maybe some of the exciting things, fun, creative, out of the box ideas that our students have determined to be how they have personally contributed to the community to make it better. And there's no one way to do that. There's no single method. So I'm really excited to see what our students will tell us here in this essay. And you have a few questions here that should help explain additional things. But in the event that you might have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can reach out directly by emailing hello@pablolambeyfoundation.org. And once you click that button, it will send an email. I'm at the other end of that, along with a couple other folks on the Pablo Lambey Foundation Scholarship Committee. But please send any message, any question, any email to us. We're looking forward to questions that you might have, and don't want you to feel that you're out there on your own and you need to figure it out. If there are any additional questions that you have, please do feel free to reach out. So once you go ahead and you click apply, the scholarship questions are the same on both forms. So no need again to submit two. One will be sufficient. The questions are all the same except for the two questions that we just discussed. You will also notice that we're asking several questions such as how many people live in your home? Do you have internet? Do you need school supplies? And these questions are intentional. We really want to understand as we grow and scale the Pablo Lambey Foundation and the programs that we offer within this foundation. We want to ensure that we're providing our Garifuna students and the Garifuna community things that are meaningful and needed, not what we feel the community need. And so one way for us to really understand if we're in the right track is by asking these series of questions to understand what students are telling us. So we ask that your students please be forthcoming and honest because it will help us then to do a better job in creating other programs that we want to offer in the future. So the whole process end to end is quite simple. Again, your student will go to the Pablo Lambey Foundation. They will find the scholarship tab. They will read the two options that they have and decide if they want to submit one or both. I do want to highlight one critical important factor, which is when is the scholarship deadline. So we need all students to have their application submitted by June 1st of 2023. Effective June 2nd, we will close all of the forms and we will not be reading or accepting any applications following June 1st. So please ensure that your students apply today would be great. No need for them to wait until the last day or the day before because we want to ensure that they get an opportunity for us to ensure that we've read all of their essay submissions and give us an opportunity to select a great number of students this year. Thank you so much for your time and patience. Again, the Pablo Lambey Foundation is really excited about this opportunity, and we're looking forward to making positive impact for our Garifuna students in Southern Belize for the upcoming year, and then we will slowly start to scale this program. Thank you, Sarah May.